Hey, welcome to the newest video by Ace Home Screen Setup. In this video, I'm going to review the PastelLine icon pack by Arrows Wall. Plus, I will do a 10 promo code giveaway. So let's get started. So before I create a setup with this PastelLine icon pack, let me quickly give you an overview of this amazing icon pack and the wallpapers it comes with. So as you can see, it has almost 2000 creatively crafted icons to fulfill all your needs. So let's have a quick look of the icons itself before I jump to the wallpaper section and create the next setup. Now quickly check out the default wallpapers it comes with. We will create a setup with this default wallpaper only so that you can understand how creative the wallpapers also. Because if you don't want to waste your time searching for the perfect paired wallpaper, you can easily go for it. So one more interesting, have any icons installed that doesn't have PastelLine icon pack, so you can just select that icon and hit the request button, and the request will go to the creators and he might create that in the next update. Create the setup and talk about the giveaway. So for this setup, I select this wallpaper. It's minimal and it's perfect for our next setup. So I just apply for the home screen. You can select both home screen as well as lock screen. If you genuinely like our work, make sure you support us by buying us a coffee. So if you like, you can check out the description link and purchase a coffee on our behalf. So let's quickly just rearrange the icons. Now let me quickly readjust my home screen icons. So as you can see, it's applied black color, so I just need to change it to PastelLine icon pack. So before that, I just want to tell you how to participate in this giveaway. So all you need to do is just subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, like this video and write a comment in the below section to which part of this icon pack you like, the icons, the wallpapers or any other things. You can mention in the comment section and I will pick randomly 10 winners after 7 days. Now let me just quickly adjust the widget for this setup, and as you can see, PastelLine itself comes with various kind of widgets. So for this video, I'm going to use one of the widgets pre-installed, comes with PastelLine icon pack itself. So just need to adjust few things. So just let me quickly adjust and come back to you in a while. So that's it about this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, make sure you subscribe our channel and join us on Telegram, Instagram and on Twitter. I see you on the on-screen video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.